Andy. So.
You just have to make a mess, tack it.